Hello friends, I thought I would share with you the journal I made for December. It's like a December daily, but it may not be daily. But this year, I don't know why, usually I don't like to, it's not that I don't like Christmas, but I'm just not into stuff like that's so Christmassy. I like more the muted, like, you know, the pale blues or the more wintry tones, rather than things puking Christmas. But this year, I don't know why I was in the mood for everything to puke Christmas. So this journal is, yeah, it's puking Christmas. So I had made another cover, and I can grab it real quick to show you guys. And I liked it. You know, it's really Victorian. I repurposed an old book. I really liked it. But the pages were not fitting into that. So I wanted that many pages, so I decided to save this either to sell or to use next year. So if anyone's interested, let me know if you would like this cover, because I could part with it. Even though, I mean, I do like it. It's pretty, but yeah, who knows what I'll be into next year. I may hate this, so yeah. Anyway, so then after making that, I decided to make a new one with just a cloth cover, some batting, and like a piece of cardstock, cardboard, whatever. And made a tassel here, and I got a lot of these items from Gypsie Rose Paperie, right? I could tell you I've got it. Yeah. And there's some awesome stuff in there. I can share that with you as well. But like, I think I got about everything on here except for this gold cord and this green polka dotted ribbon, which I used for the binding, which matched this like perfect. But everything else I think I got from her. The bell, the sequin ribbon, and the yarn, and this cute little, I think this is Tim Holtz Santa charm. So yeah, so I added that on there, and I put a ribbon, and the gold I added on top of this. You can see the red underneath, and I put the gold on top because I felt like you needed a little something else. And I may still add something to the front, I'm not sure. My daughter made me these really cute little felt things. She was gluing and piecing, and she wanted me to put these on the front. And you never know, I don't know, but I just thought they were cute. So I don't know, we'll see. I thought about adding them to the inside too, and I can show you. So it's got a ribbon closure. I just stitched that all the way around, and then I added these little pom-pom trim here. And I thought about adding maybe like some little people here of hers on the pocket. I thought that could be cute. So I may do that. And then add this little girl to another page. So we'll see. I already did some journaling here that I did it and I tucked in here because I'm going to start using this. This is November that I'm filming this. So I'm going to start putting some things in here from November since I have so much, and I finished my other journal, which I have to film a flip through on that. So I have nothing to journal in right now, so I'm just going to start early. Plus, you know, we do some Christmas things in November, like we already put our gingerbread house together that we do about every year. And we put our tree up in November. So that's all stuff that happens in November, but I want to document in my December journal, Christmas journal, whatever. So I've got some vintage papers. It's like a vintage receipt from 1913 that I got from my friend Laura. Thank you, Laura. I love these. And then some Tim Holtz Christmas paper, and I put some trim on here I think I got in Happy Mail. And I leave a lot of my threads on here because I like it. This old, look how old this book page is. I love it. And it's from the book Christmas Puppy. You can see someone scribbled in it. I think that's cool. And these I got at Hobby Lobby, and I just stitched on the side to make a little tuck spot. And then Used a punch to add some decorative edging there. This is from an old cookbook. And then I made tabs, and they're huge. But I had to because this thing, like I said, the paper, I had it pre-cut for the other book, so I didn't really expect it. And then I had added all the stuff to it before I made this one, so I just had to make it work. So I made these long so that they would stick out if they're in the back. So, yeah. And it's mine, so I don't care if it's not perfect. Nothing's perfect I make anyways, but this was trim I think I picked up at TJ Maxx that I thought was so cute as a belly band. Added this little guy here, and this was some vintage wrapping paper that I got from my mother-in-law. Starbucks. I use my Starbucks bags. I love my Starbucks. Sorry. I hate to be so, you know, like that, but I am a Starbucks snob. Old Frosty book. I got this in some Happy Mail, and I love that. More Tim Holtz paper, and I'm not sure what this is, but it's like not tissue, but it's real light paper. It's neat. A little flip tuck here. I think this is paper I got at Michael's that and everything, just about, almost everything is tea stained, coffee stained. I do a mixture. Pocket here with some trim, and then I found this at Hobby Lobby. I thought that was so cute. Some vintage music paper, Christmas. A little pocket I added here. Tim Holtz paper. And this paper I've had for a while. I've been hoarding, so I used that. I've used it actually to make an advent box for my kids. Oh my gosh, it's probably over 5 years old. I say that, I guess that's not that old, but I usually don't like to keep stuff that long. And then I found this little snowflake trim. I don't know if it's hard to see. At Hobby Lobby as well. I thought that was just so cute. Made a vellum pocket and just cut the top so it would be a top loading and the knot is in there. More Tim Holtz scrapbook paper, and then I used this snowflake trim as a belly band. Another flip tuck thing here. Just a little something to decorate that page. More of that trim and pocket. Vintage writing paper pocket. And this was a Christmas card that I cut apart, and it was one that you put a photo in the front, and I thought, how cool is that? I just stitched around the edge, the 3 edges here, and left the top open to slip a photo down there. Here's the other side of that lightweight paper. And this, I kind of went a little far over here, but I don't know. I don't know. I just love this. It feels so neat. I thought it looked really pretty with those bells, so I just added that on there. More of that other side of that frosty paper that I turned into a pocket. Other side of the Starbucks bag that I cut the other side. And I had put on this vintage wrapping paper, I put this really cute washi. Where did I get that? I think I got it at Michael's. It's right here. And I thought that looked kind of Christmassy. But I put that on the other side to decorate it and to give it a little bit of substance when I stitched, since the stuff was so lightweight. And this was a Christmas card. So it's got some writing space here, but then I also made it into a pocket. Some grid paper. The other side of that magazine. And here's another tag I got, I think at Hobby Lobby. And I stitched the side for another tuck spot. The other side of that vintage puppy, Christmas puppy book, or whatever it's called. You can see the writing there. And then this was a piece of scrapbook paper I got in Happy Mail, I do believe. And I turned it into a belly band. And then I added a pocket here. With some little, oh, that kind of got messed up there, didn't it? I was having issues. My sewing machine ran out of thread, so I had to redo it. But I added some of that pom-pom trim there. And then the other side of the receipt and pocket in the back. So I'm happy with how it turned out. I love, like I said, I was just in the mood for just traditional crazy Christmas colors, not the muted Christmas like I usually like. Like, you know, this is kind of muted Christmas, but, you know, even this is more than what I would normally want. I would normally, I think, go for something like that pocket page that had the deer where it had like, yeah, this right here. You know, something maybe more like this with the peachy and the green, even some turquoise. But I just was in the mood, I don't know why, to just go all out Christmas colors this year. And then, you know, if I tie this or whatever, there's that. So I also got like a, what did she call it? I could tell you if I see this. Mysterious Kit O Junk Journaling from Gypsy Rose Paperie. And I mean, look at all this stuff. She gives you so much. Like I said, I used a lot of that for my tassels. I already had my journal together when I got her stuff, or I would have included some of this stuff. But this had like some pom-poms and buttons and beads in here. Like I said, here's that yarn that I used for my tassel. Some paper doilies, all kinds of cute little playing cards. Little Tim Holtz cards, a Santa and Jolly. Some Christmas cards. Oh, there's buttons I didn't put in that packet, or I missed the bag. Let's see. As you can see, I was going through this and it's a mess, but look how pretty this is, and it's got the wire in it, but of course you can pull the wire out. I love that. I would use that as a belly band if I had that ahead of time, and this one too. But I'll try and link her in the description, and there's some napkins here, so if you guys want to check it out, if she has any left. Look how cute. My cousin would love that because she has scrunchies. Look at that. Oh, love that. Very cool. All kinds of trims, and look at these stickers. Little catalog card, library catalog card. Paper bags, which I wished I waited to stitch my journal together. I would have loved to put those in there. Some stickers, some envelopes. All kinds of goodies in these things. Scrapbook paper, book page. Here's like part of the cover of a book. A vinyl like tablecloth, I believe. Some stationery paper, music, sheet music. Yeah, so just all kinds of goodies. So there's another little Christmas trivia game. That's so cute. So definitely, if for some reason when I upload this, I forget to link her in the description, please comment and let me know, because I definitely want to link to her channel, because even if you don't get one of these, she just has some really cool stuff and good videos. So you'll want to check her out. And then last thing, I actually finally completed my Christmas stickers. So this is the first time I've made sticker sheets. I have my yeah, why can't I even think of the name? My girl stickers, my lassies. And then I've got the Christmas sticker sheets, and these are Naughty and Nice sticker sheets. And I may, if there's a demand for it, or if I have time, I might just put also a digital download if someone would want to just download these and cut them up instead of getting the stickers. But let me show you without Of course, these have already I've been messing with them and popping them off, but got the elf on the shelf, pooping a Hershey Kiss in a wine glass. And there's all kinds of little holly on there. Little dog dressed as reindeer who is making yellow snow. And then there's presents, a gingerbread man cookie thing here who's lost a leg. Got a snowman. This is just my logo, which is a sticker too. So you've got your naughty and nice elements of Christmas. So there will be 2 sheets in a pack. So I will put a link to the stickers in my Etsy shop. And I thought that I would, now just a little FYI, there's like, some of these when they cut, there's little, let me see if I can find it. Some of them are worse than others, but I mean, it's not very noticeable. There's like little dots right there, because like I said, this is the first pack I made. I'm working out kinks, so I mean, they're cut and they're, you know, fine. The nothing's on the image, it's just the white around the edge where the cut was. There's a little bit of marks there, but yeah, just a little disclaimer there. But I thought I'd stick some of these in my book to kind of show ya. We could put a little guy here. How about, who do we want to put? We could put a snowman because it's been snowing. Sorry, my dogs are in here with me. So there's a little snow guy. Let's see, we could put maybe some holly on here. I'm going to use this sheet because I already took off here. Kind of matches the little. A little holly on this tag. Looks cute. So there. Yeah. So I will have these in the shop. The sticker packs for sure. With all the details. And like I said, if I have time or there's a huge demand, I will make a digital download. A separate listing for that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed those, and I hope you enjoyed this little flip of the journal I made for December. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and remember, if I do not link Gypsy Rose Paperie in the description, please let me know. I really appreciate it. Sometimes I forget when I get to editing these. But again, hopefully I'll have a video soon, maybe a journal with me or something in my December journal, and I need to do a flip through of my completed journal, so look out for that. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.